to explain areas of similar triangles, theorem 2.6. We'll read the statement. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means two similar triangles. The triangle given is similar. We need to prove areas of this ratio of areas of these two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means I already drawn here ABC and PQR is the two triangles. They are similar. So what they have given here? They have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That they have given. Okay. That means then we have to prove. What we have to prove? The area of ABC, the ratio of area of ABC to area of PQR is equal to square of the corresponding sides, ratio of their corresponding sides. So here ABC and PQR, so A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. That's the same way AB corresponds to PQ, BC corresponds to QR, AC corresponds to PR. So corresponding side, square of ratio of their corresponding sides in the sense AB by PQ the whole square is equal to BC by QR the whole square is equal to AC by PR the whole square. This is what we need to prove. In this construction we are not doing, because here area you have to find out, right? So we have to find out the height of the triangle. So here I am constructing AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. That is the height of the triangle. Why we are constructing like that? We need to find out here area. So construction, how will you write? Draw altitudes. This is altitudes, right? Altitudes means what? From opposite vertex you have to draw a perpendicular to the base of the triangle. That is what altitudes. At altitudes AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. You can give any name, any alphabet name. I am taking your AM and PN. Now, this is the construction part. Now, how will you find out that proof? We need to find out area, right? So, I am taking area of triangle ABC. How will you take? Half into base into height. So, half into base here BC into height is altitude into AM. The same way area of PQR. How will you write area of PQR? Half into base area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Right. The same way half into base QR into PN. Now we have to find out the ratio. So area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to half into BC into AM divided by half into QR into PN. Half will be cancelled. You will get area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN. Now we need to prove this is equal to AB by PQ the whole square. Any one side square you have to prove. So I am putting this is a equation 1 and continue in the next page. So I am considering the triangle here. Now consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Which are the triangle we are considering here? ABM. Where is the AB? ABM and PQN. See here B is equal to Q and angle M is equal to angle N. So by AA similarity criteria we can tell that two triangles are similar. So angle B is equal to angle Q given and angle M is equal to angle N. It is 90 degree by construction. Okay. Now, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by AA similarity criterion. If they are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional, right? So you will get AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. This is equation number 2. Reason sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. This is the reason. This is equation number 2. Also, they have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That means their corresponding sides also will be equal, right? That is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Their corresponding also will be equal. This is equation number 3. Now you see equation 1 what they have given. Equation 1. We will check what they given equation. Equation 1 is area of ABC. I am just writing here that equation 1. Area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN. This is our equation number 1. Now no need to check back. Clear? Now you see from equation 1 and 3 what you will get. BC is equal to QR, it becomes AB is equal to PQ. AM is by PN also will be equal to AB by PQ. So I will go by step. That is from 1 and 3, what you will get, area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ. That is BC by QR. I am writing it as AB by PQ. AB by PQ into AM by PN. Then AM by PN we can write it as AB by PQ again. Right. So I am writing here because we proved AM by PN as AB by PQ. That's the reason I am taking instead of BC by QR also that AB by PQ. So area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ into AB by PQ. That is from 2. Equation number 2. Now we see what we are getting. Area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square we are getting. So from using equation 3, what you will get, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR, that is equal to AC by PR. That means area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square is equal to BC by QR the whole square is equal to AC by PR the whole square. This is what we have to prove. So hence proved. This is how you have to prove. Clear it is? I hope you understood this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.